Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 EC, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should first open notification panel shortcuts and find somewhere here scan QR codes icon. If you have no this icon, like I just got this icon here, but if you don't see this icon in your notification panel, you should click to edit swatches icon and you'll find this icon somewhere here in this down section. Just hold it and drag it to this up section to add the scan QR code icon to your notification panel. Click here to done, and just to use it, just click here to scan icon, tap to next, yes I agree twice, and click to get started. Now we should place our QR code into this frame. Wait a second. Be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi and other mobile data, and now we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.